Guys, so I wanted to go over the newsletter that I sent out, and then I'm going to go over what to expect for today. So just an update, if you are in the ramp-up week, if you're coming into school, Monday is Alpha A to C, Tuesday Alpha D to J, Wednesday Alpha K to Q, and Thursday is R through Z. Also, due to ramp-up week, we will not have live meetings, just an FYI, but if you need any help, just let us know. Last week, on 8/24/25, you had a warm-up, you had a Biochem Cloud Graphic Organizer. Drill number 4 was a daily grade. Enzyme Diagram Discovery was another thing that you did, and Enzyme Practice Quiz, which was a half daily, so make sure you get those done. I opened it back up for Wednesday, so all the drills and the enzyme practice quiz, I opened it till Thursday, so make sure you get that done. And then you had Hurricane Laura come in, and then the rolling blackouts, so that was fun. And then 8/31 through 9/4, so this week, you have a test. It's open through Wednesday, 9/2, so make sure you get that done. It is a major grade. And then starting on the 1st and the 2nd, you have a warm-up prokaryote versus eukaryote Edpuzzle, prokaryote versus eukaryote Venn diagram, and a prokaryote versus eukaryote quiz is. So make sure you get that done. And then 9/3/9/4 is a warm-up plant and animal cell Edpuzzle, plant and animal cell Venn diagram, and cells and organelles quiz. So that is a half daily, so make sure you get that done. And let's go over to Canvas. So looking at Canvas, again, if you are in any other period besides first period, you click on this one right here. So if you are first period, you click on this module. If you are not first period, click on this module. Also, FYI, you need to make sure you sign your safety contract that is required for my class. So you click on the current module. We are going to be in day 4. You have a warm-up. There's also a review, and if you are ready for the test, it is available for you. Remember that the test closes on Wednesday, so make sure you get that done. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or Remind 101.